Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and also turn that bell notification on so each time I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to be notified. So for all my longtime viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thank you for being here. So you know I'm here today to give you another recipe, fast and easy and very delicious. So stay tuned after this short intro. So today I'm not really feeling like I'm in the mood to be cooking this long dish. So I'm going to whip up something really fast and delicious. So right here I have some chicken wings and I'll be frying these and probably be putting them in the oven afterwards. So you know, I fry them first to get that crunchy taste and also put it in the oven to get that, you know, kind of soft while still crunchy on the inside. So I will be using just two seasoning. I'll be using my homemade seasoning right here, and I'll also be using a little bit of Maggi ginger seasoning. So in my homemade seasoning, guys, you know this already have the salt, the black pepper, the paprika, everything, guys, scotch Bonett Pepper Powder, everything you can think of. The link will be below. You guys, if you wish to make this season at home, you can, and I guarantee that this will taste oh so good each time you make it. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons or a little over 2 tablespoons because I won't be letting this marinate for too long. So 2 tablespoons of my seasoning, and I'm going to be going with some Maggi ginger powder. If you have ginger powder while making your homemade seasoning, you can go ahead and add some, but I didn't have the ginger on hand, so I'm just going to be going in with it now. Guys, this will taste also delicious. You just go now and use your hand and massage the seasoning in the chicken wings. And guys, this is not a lot of chicken wings, it's just for 3 persons. If your family is bigger, you know that you add more seasoning to your wings when doing it. Look at this already, guys. So gorgeous, delicious, tasty wings. I'm just going to let that marinate for about 10 minutes and then I'll show you the next step. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, let's move on to the next step. So right here I have some self-rising flour and I'll be taking about a cup. So let's just go in with this amount first and we will just be pouring it on our chicken wings. I think that should do. And right here I have some ice water. And we're just going to be incorporating the wings, the water, the flour together so we have a nice batter. Guys, I was frying chicken the old-fashioned way, just like you guys, until I saw this on It's So Good page, and this is how she fried her wings. And guys, when I tell you about crispy, so this is how your wings should look. Alright guys, don't fry chicken the old-fashioned way again. Once you fry chicken this way, you will never go back. So we'll just let that stay there until my oil is fully hot. And you see I have some fries over there. That's what I'll be having with my wings. This day is just a fast day, you know, just whip up something fast. Some of the days you don't want to be in the kitchen, slaving in the kitchen for long hours. So this is what I'll be doing today. So stay tuned. So my oil is now at the temperature where I want it. So I have my wings right here. You just ensure that you have all of that butter on it. Because guys, trust, this is what is going to make it crispy and nice. And try not to overcrowd your pot, guys, because they're gonna stick together. But after like 5 minutes, about 2 minutes before taking them out, we'll break them up and let them fry a little bit more, and then you will have your crunchy chicken wings. So these are what my wings are looking like. Look at that, guys, so crunchy and delicious. You can't deny that. So I'm just going to let them stay for about another minute or two, take them out and put in the other batch. So these, look at my wings, guys, so crunchy. Guys, these are so delicious. Trust me, if you fry wings or chicken like this, you won't regret it. You won't ever go back to frying chicken the way you did. So we have the second batch right here, and it is going well. So when they come together like this, guys, you just use a fork or a spoon or one of these things, and you just break them apart and allow them to fry. That soft part that was gripping each other, allow them to fry to get crisp as well. Right here, guys, I have my French fries in the fryer, and I like my French fries golden brown and crispy. So these need to be in there for another about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and then you will see. So my fries are ready, and I'm just allowing them to drip some of the oil, the excess oil, and I'll plate it and you guys will see. So right now I'm ready to dive in. I have my wings and I have my fries. I won't be putting these in the oven or in the wok because Omar is ready to eat and it's kind of late, so I'm ready also. I'll do that next time for you guys. But look at that fries, it's crunchy, it's golden brown. These wings are crispy and golden brown. Guys, if you fry chicken like this or wings, trust me, you won't go back to the old way. Guys, do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is always free. Until then, love is what good.